Hi all, Steve here. In this short video, one of a series of start a session explainers, I'm going to look at removing your old student cohorts and adding new ones. You should have reset your course by now. If not, go back and follow that video first. A cohort is simply a group of users in Moodle or LearnNet in our case. Instead of adding students to a course one by one, you add cohorts. Student cohorts in our college are usually created to represent a course code or instance of a course code. A course code would be like HBUA for HNC Business. An instance would be HBUA 1AF0, full-time A group. The good thing is you can add the full course and A and B groups as separate cohorts, which makes life easier for marking your students' work. If any students start late, they'll automatically be added to your course, and if any students withdraw, they'll be removed from the course, usually after the October holidays. The first job we need to do is remove old cohorts from the course. Resetting your course does not remove cohorts for reasons we won't go into here. In your course on LearnNet, go to the Participants tab and then click the drop-down menu entitled Enrolled Users and select Enrollment Methods. You should see some manual enrollments at the top. These will be lecturing staff in various roles. Below that you may see existing student cohorts such as this one. I have a cohort called Test Students. To remove the cohort, click the bin icon at the right. A confirmation screen will appear. Don't be afraid to lose data. As explained in the course reset video, last session's work is all stored on another server already. Click Continue to remove the cohort. Repeat this process for all previous year's cohorts. Now that we have a blank slate, let's add our first cohort. If you're back on your course page, like this, go to the Participants tab and then on the drop down at Enrolled Users select Enrollment Methods again. If you've made it to the Enrollment Methods screen, in the Add Method drop down at the bottom, choose Cohort Sync. Now in this screen we're going to work from the bottom up, it's just easier to work that way. In the Add to Group drop down select Create New Group Now. In the next field up, Assign Role, you want to make sure that Student Role is selected. Now in the search box type the course code the students to be added or enrolled on. I'm going to search for HBUA, but I won't actually add any of them to my course. You should be searching for your own 4 or 5 letter course code. As you can see there's several results. I want the whole course HBUA 2627 and I also want to add the A and B groups. So let's find 2627 HBUA and then find B. And there you can see I've got all 3 courses ready to go. If you then click Add Method, all the HBUA students would be enrolled on this course. I'm not going to do that because this is my test course. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find my test student cohort to show that. So if I search for test students, so I've found the test student cohort, they're going to be assigned their old student and we're going to create a new group. And now that we've done that, we'll click Add Method. And you'll see that the test students have been added. So back in your course participant list, you can see these students have all been added and they're all in a group called Test Students Cohort. Now when you're viewing the participant list or gradebook, you can sort by the whole course or individual groups. And now that you know how to add students to your course, have a look at the next video in the series, which is the new welcome area plugin called TabSet. If you have any questions, please email l&t@dumgal.ac.uk and someone will get back to you. Thanks for watching.